Hey everyone, welcome back to Stock Informer, your go-to spot for the latest on markets, stocks, and economic moves. New here? Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss out. Today, we're diving into a hot warning from Yahoo Finance. Trump's tariffs are about to put the stock market through the ringer. Will it crash or come out stronger? Let's break it down and figure out what's next for your investments. So, what's the buzz? Trump's tariff rollout is live, and it's shaking Wall Street to its core. The article says this is the toughest test for stocks in years. Think trade war chaos, higher costs, and a potential gut punch to growth. The S&P 500, Dow, and Nasdaq are already wobbling. Yesterday, S&P 500 futures dropped 1.7%, Nasdaq 100 futures tanked 2.5%, and Dow futures slid 0.7% after Trump's Liberation Day reveal. He's slapping a 10% tariff floor on all U.S. trading partners, with some countries facing 15% or 20% hits. That's a lot of red ink incoming. Why's this a big deal? Tariffs jack up costs. Think raw materials, auto parts, tech chips. Companies like Tesla, Ford, even Nvidia could see margins shrink fast. Consumers? We're paying more to cars, homes, gadgets, you name it. Analysts are freaking out. Barclays slashed their S&P 500 target to 5,900 from 6,600, and their bear case, a brutal 4,400 if other countries fire back with their own tariffs. That's a 25% drop from today's levels, yikes. But it's not all doom. Some say this could force a U.S. manufacturing boom long-term. Problem is, short-term pain's hitting now. New orders are down, layoffs are creeping up, and uncertainty's choking demand. The 10-year Treasury yields at 4.19%, inching off a 6-month low, signaling investors are nervous but not fully bailing yet. Gold? Still near record highs as a safe haven play. What about the indexes? SPY, tracking the S&P 500, closed at 564.251 yesterday off its 613.23-year high. DIA, tied to the Dow, ended at 421.599, down from its 423.67 for peak this week. KELD, reflecting Nasdaq 100, hit 91.53 to tech's volatile but hanging in. These could swing wild depending on how markets digest this tariff shock over the next few weeks. So, what's your play? If you're in tech or industrials, brace for turbulence. Tariffs could hammer profits. Consumer discretionary? Same deal. Watch Amazon, Tesla, home builders like Dryers Horton. Flip side, could this dip be a buy? Maybe, but timing's everything. Data says volatility's king right now. That's the scoop, fam. Trump's tariffs are testing the market's guts. Crash or comeback, we're in for a ride. What's your take? Panic, sell, or hold tight? Drop it in the comments. Loved this breakdown? Hit that like button, share it, and subscribe for more. Catch you next time. Stay sharp and keep stacking those gains.